Hello and welcome. In this video, we will showcase the latest advancements in this custom AI agent framework designed to build powerful copilots. We will demonstrate four key features. First, how community portal users can now interact with an AI assistant that operates under a secure service user context. Second, intelligent service to text with automatic speech detection. Third, a new reasoning mode that makes the agent's thought process transparent, and finally the power and flexibility of a visual graph builder for complex automation. First, let's look at the data and configuration. Here is our customer, Global Tech Incorporation, their contact, Lena Rose, and her order history. This data will provide the initial context for our AI copilot. The agent itself is configured here. Notice that reasoning mode is enabled. Crucially, required service user context checkbox is also enabled, allowing portal users to trigger internal processes securely. The agent gets its initial understanding of the user through agent context config. In this case, user details provider Apex class runs automatically. It identifies that Lena is a community user and prefetches her associated account, contact, and recent order details, providing the agent with a 360-degree view before the conversation even starts. The agent's abilities are defined by capabilities, including a multi-step workflow for reordering a previous purchase, built in the graph builder. Now let's see these features in action from the customer's perspective. We are now logged into the portal as Lena Rose. A community user can now interact with this sophisticated assistant to perform functions they normally couldn't, because the agent's actions are governed by its predefined capabilities. Lena is having an issue with a damaged secure key hardware fob from a previous order and has already created a support case to request a return. Now she wants to reorder another item from that same purchase. Let's see how she can use her voice for her next request. Can you reorder the ProTrade Analytics suite for me from that same order? Notice how the component automatically detected when speech ended. The speech-to-text service is designed for natural conversation. It intelligently handles pauses for thinking so that the user doesn't have to manually manage the recording. Let me click on send. The agent understands the request, and because reasoning mode is enabled, it first tells the user what it's about to do. I can help you pre-order the product from your previous order. Just to confirm, I will use the order number. That simple voice command now triggers a powerful multi-step workflow defined in the graph builder. This is the capability. This capability has been designed using the graph builder. This graph finds the original order, creates a new draft, clones the items, and notifies the sales team, all in one automated process. The real power here is how easily admins can modify these workflows. For example, a new branch could be added. We can simply select the condition. So let me click on edit. I will create a new branch, choose one of the capabilities, let's say notify sales op. Here I need to configure the step details, click on next, and map the inputs directly from previous steps in the graph. So this is the previous node, and I can enter and the step is added in the graph builder. Since we are just demonstrating, we will cancel these changes. Now let's see the result of the agent's work. The agent has created a new draft order and notified the team. Let's verify this in Salesforce. Back in the Global Tech account, we can see this new draft order has been created as expected. And in the sales operations chatters group, there's the automated post from the agent notifying the team to finalize the purchase. The entire process was completed from a single voice command in the community portal. You can try out the entire framework for yourself. The link to the GitHub repo is provided in the post description. If you find it valuable, please consider giving the project a star. Thank you for watching.